Hi, it's Kevin Dolan, and I want to tell you why I look especially casual today. It's because I have a big Spartan race coming up this weekend in Newberry, South Carolina. It's the Carolina Beast. I've been training all summer for this thing. Can't wait to get out on the course and get dirty and have a blast. And you know what? If you're a Spartan racer like me, I've got your attention right now. And maybe you're not a Spartan racer. Maybe you went to Michigan State as I did. Well, you see the word Spartan. I have your attention right now. This is to illustrate a point. Anytime you can make a personal connection with your audience, you're going to get their attention. And from there on out, the messaging, the persuasion, if that's what you're in the business of, like me, it's all going to go much faster and easier if you can first make a personal connection with your audience. Also, as a matter of fact, some of my best clients have been very active, very fit people who do things like, marathons, bicycling, they play sports, they go hunting, what have you. So we have a personal connection outside of work, and that makes things, easier, faster, better for both of us. A bigger lesson here is that artificial intelligence, chat GPT, can't fake any of this. It's impossible to make a personal connection 100% like this with artificial intelligence. It's just got to be real, actual human intelligence. So don't be afraid to make a personal connection with your audience, sharing, your hobbies, your interests, things like that. I can tell you that my most interacted with content I've ever posted on LinkedIn or Facebook, it's involved Spartan racing. So make use of this in your marketing. I've had some terrific winners by bonding with the audience, by sharing specific personal details like this. But let me know what your thoughts are on this. If you've had any experience with this, or if you're a Spartan, hope I can see you out on the course this Saturday. Comment below, and thanks for watching.